Good morning students, chemistry with DNA. I am Noman Ahmed. Today we are going to start one of the most important topics in O-level chemistry, that is mole and concentration. As you can see, the topic is mole and concentration. Today we are going to discuss some of the most important questions that will give you basic knowledge about how to find moles, how to find concentration, and how to find volumes. So these are the type of questions that has given in your CIE exams. So you need to focus in these questions so you will get the idea how to find mole and concentration and what is the relationship between mole and concentration. So this is our questions and we will perform some formulas over here to how to solve these questions. So for basic things, let me introduce two things to you. That is, this is a kind of beaker and here two things are there. Suppose this is a solution. This is beaker and there are solution, and these black dots represents amount of particles, maybe in form of salt, and here also amount of salt is represented by black dots. Now see, this is also a solution in which we can say this is concentrated. Why? Because solute is more as compared to this is suppose A and this is beaker B. Here the amount of solute is less, so we can say it is diluted. Because solvent is greater and here solute is greater and solvent is lesser as compared to this compound, this substance. Solute is very less and solvent is greater. So concentrated means amount of solute is greater as compared to amount of solvent, and so diluted means amount of solute is less as compared to amount of solvent. So for how to find the concentration of these two, so the formula of concentration, how to find the concentration. What is basically the concentration? Concentration is basically amount of particles divided by amount of particles volume of solution in dm³. So you know concentration is represented by C and amount of particle is represented by mole and volume is also in dm³. So what will be the amount of particle? This can be written as moles. So what will be the concentration means mole per dm³. So this is the formula which we are going to introduce. So let me write this formula over here. Concentration is equal to moles divided by volume in dm³. So this formula I will write on the top of the question, so that all these questions will be solved by this formula. So let me erase all of these work. Now see, first question, find moles. So we will write the formula. Concentration is equal to moles divided by volume in dm³. Now see, we need to figure out which one. This is, of course, this is centimeter cube, it will be volume. Mole per dm³, this is concentration. So we can easily find out the mole. So these two things are given in the formula. So how can we find out? Just bring moles over here. These two will be multiplied, concentration multiplied by volume. So moles will be, what is the concentration? Why? Because 0.2 mole per dm³ is the concentration. 0.2 mole per dm³ is the concentration, multiplied by volume, that is 100 cm³. Okay, one thing very important, whenever you are going to find out in centimeter cube, whenever you are going to convert it into dm³, so you will divide it by 1000. And if you want to convert dm cube into meter cube, you will also divide it by 1000. But if you want to bring it from meter to dm cube, you will multiply by 1000. Like the here, you will multiply it by 1000. So this is another formula. Now see here, it is in centimeter cube, you will divide it by 1000. So it will be converted into a dm cube. So the answer will be, if suppose 0.2 multiplied by 1000 and divided by 0.1 will be the answer. 0.1 dm cube will be the answer. Let me write 0.2 multiplied by 0.1. This will be converted. So the answer will be, if we just calculate it on our calculator, the answer is 0.02. 0.02 mole is the answer for this question. I hope so you understand. I see concentration mole per volume in dm cube. The concentration formula is the same. So you need to figure out how to find the volume and concentration in the question. You will underline volume and this is concentration. These two things are given. You can easily find out the moles. In the same, another question, it is also very easy. Let me erase it. Now in the same formula, 1500 centimeter cube of this is volume. So write the formulas. Concentration is equal to, this is volume. So these two things are given. These two things are given. You need to find the concentration. So you will write moles divided by volume and dm cube. Concentration is represented by C. Mole is represented by N, and this is volume. You need to find N. So C multiplied by V, and C is given. C is 1.5 multiplied by volume. Volume is 1500 centimeter cube. So you will divide it by 1000 centimeter. So the answer will be in decimeter cube. So you will divide it by 1000. So the answer will be 1500 cm cube divided by 1000. So here the answer will be, whenever you will find the answer, you will see 2.25 mole per dm cube. 2.25 moles will be the answer of the same question. Very easy question. Now see, just learn the formula and you need to convert these things, you will get the answer. Now find concentration. This is very easy. Now see, now these very easy. Now see, these two things you need to find this thing, and these two things are already given, so just very easy. 0.5 mole. Mole is given in the same formula. This is concentration, N is the mole, and V is the volume. So you need to find out the concentration, so it is written in the same way. N is given 0.5. 0.5 is the number of mole, and the volume is given for 500 centimeter cube. So 500 centimeter cube will be divided by 1000, and that answer will be divided by 0.5. So you will get the concentration answer. That will be 1 mole per dm cube. 1 mole per dm cube will be the answer of this question. Very easy, I think so. And again, if another question like the same, in the same part, in this part, 200 mole of NaOH and 1500 centimeter cube is given. So very easy. The mole is given 220 mole of NaOH in 1500 centimeter cube. So you will divide 1500 centimeter cube, you will divide it by 1000. So you will get the answer. The answer will be round about 1.33 moles per dm cube. Very easy question. Now again, what is the find the volume? That's very easy. Now see, from the same formula, volume you need to find. So you will bring volume over here, concentration will be there. So that's very easy. From the same formula, concentration and what is mole and what is the volume. Now find volume. You need to find out the volume to bring our volume here. So formula will be N over C. So 0.5 mole per dm cube. This is the concentration, NaOH has 0.1 mole. So we can say 0.015 mole is given, and of course the concentration is 0.2 mole per dm cube. 0.2 mole per dm cube. So mole will be cancelled with the mole. So the answer will be in first answer of the same is 0.075. 0.075 dm cube will be the answer. And in the second part, let me write over here 1.5 mole per dm cube, 1.5 the concentration, 20 mole is the answer, and 1.5 mole per dm cube. One will be cancelled. So the answer for this is very easy. That is round about 13.3 dm cube will be the answer. So these are the questions from the past papers in which you will find moles, you will find concentration, you will find volume. These types of questions is very easy to understand, but you need to remember this formula. Concentration means moles per volume in dm cube, and also whenever one thing is given like concentration is given, you can find easily more than volume, and if two things are given, you can easily find the third one. And this formula is very important. Whenever there is centimeter cube, you will convert it into decimeter cube, and whenever there is decimeter cube, you need to convert it into meter cube. The simplest way is to divide that centimeter cube by 1000, so it will be converted into decimeter cube. So these are the stepwise methods. So you can easily solve this question. Again, if there is any question, you can ask in comment section. I will give you the best answer, inshallah, provided to you. Now these are the questions. Now you can change one thing. You can change the data in these equations, and you can solve it by practice some of the most important questions. Just change it like 0.5, like 0.3, and 100 centimeter cube. You should write 500 centimeter cube. You should change all these data by yourself, and you will get the best result. Take a very good care of yourself. Assalamu alaikum.